In this video, I will show you how you can change orientation of your PC or laptop in Windows 11. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to just right click on your mouse and click on display setting. And after that, just scroll down and here you can see display orientation. So, if I want to change the orientation, then click on here and from here you can select any orientation of your windows. For example, I select landscape. Then you can see our orientation has been changed. But I don't want to change my orientation, so I will click on revert. So guys, in this way you can change display orientation in your Windows 11 very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.